So my name is Jeremiah, number 8. I got the fire inside for my second name. I'm a break dancer. My second name is Firebreaker, Fire Beat. But I want to change the world. The more you have, the less you need. Just keep. Fire Beat Nation represents my wife, Nadia. Put it together. Despite the bad weather, we make a new word.
Fight the bad weather.
You will see me. You will see me
In the sea.
What a world! Just look. I got the money and I got my wife. And with that, I change the world. Look. I embrace the polarity of the world. Look that.
Go on then. Go on then. It's like, come on, Mum, look at me. Reverse the polarity of the world. Oh, he is. The fucking lunatic. Space cake. No, there's no limit. I'm quite dizzy now. Aha! I better not fall over into the sea. Whoa!
Glenn, give me your bed place.
Then we'll have some steam.
Let's put the fire
in the water.
Let's put the fire. I control my mind, I control the fire. Because I got the fire inside. Just put the fire in the water.
Yeah, and then it goes out. There are physical laws that cannot be broken, man. Don't think. It's serious. He smoked some weed earlier.
I want you down. Want to run. I will do that. Because I control what I do. I'm sure about it.
Ah, that's very nice. Very cold. You can forget about being cold now. You can forget about being cold. Isn't it wonderful? He's mad, that bloke. He's nuts, that bloke. He was dancing before, he just stood on his hands and started dancing on his hands, like doing a handstand. Then took his shorts off and ran down here in the nude. I'm going in the sea! It's good though.